5 Sea Wonders in the World. 1. Gulf of Alaska. This one surely deserves to be in the list. The Atlantic and Pacific Oceans meet at the Gulf of Alaska, yet their waters do not mix, creating a breathtaking sight. Unbelievable, right? This is due to the different densities and temperatures of the two oceans. Because the Pacific Ocean's water is light blue and comes from a glacier, where sodium chloride, or salt, is present in lower amounts, and the Atlantic Ocean's water is dark blue and contains a higher percentage of salt, the waters of the two oceans do not mix. 2. Mariana Trench. Here's another wonder in the list. The Mariana Trench can be found in the Pacific Ocean east of the Philippines. The Mariana Trench, which has a depth of around 11 kilometers and is the deepest marine site on Earth, is so deep that sunlight cannot penetrate there effectively. People have so far scaled Mount Everest, the world's tallest peak. Only 3 people have been able to enter the Mariana Trench, which is extremely deep. In June 2020, China's Fendish 1 deep-sea submersible was deployed to the world's deepest position. 3. Bermuda Triangle. For many years, scientists have been perplexed by the Bermuda Triangle. To date, numerous seaplanes and aeroplanes passing nearby have vanished. The Bermuda Triangle is located in the North Atlantic Ocean, just 1770 kilometers from Miami on the American East Coast and 1,350 kilometers from Nova Scotia to the south. In the United States, a triangle joins Florida, Puerto Rico, and Bermuda. When enormous ships and planes land in this area, neither the ships nor their passengers are discovered. The Bermuda Triangle remains a mystery because no ships have been found, yet it is thought that over 2,000 ships and more than 70 planes have vanished here. After carefully researching the weather conditions in the area surrounding the Bermuda Triangle, experts estimate that fatal winds are blowing into the Bermuda Triangle at a rate of 170 miles per hour, which they attribute to the weather. When a ship becomes entangled in the wind, an accident occurs because the ship loses balance. 4. Hillier Lake. Hillier Lake contains water that is not like conventional water. It is famous across the world for having the world's only lake with pink water. Do you know why the lake's water is pink? Hillier Lake in Australia is attracting people from all over the world because of its uniqueness. This lake is much smaller than the others, with a surface size of only 600 square kilometers. The lake is surrounded by forests. People come here to observe the strangely pink color. This lake's water appears pink due to algae and germs. However, this lake doesn't really have any adverse consequences on people or wild creatures. According to some, the lake's present records were discovered for the first time in Australia by a sailor. Since then, the lake has received international acclaim. 5. Dead Sea. This sea is located between Israel and the Palestinian territories and is also known as the Salt Sea. No one can drown in seawater because it contains such a high concentration of salt, and has a density of nearly 1.24 kilograms liter. This sea has significantly more salt than the other seas combined. Because of the high salt content, it contains no plants or creatures. There could be no plants or fish there. This is how it got its name. Furthermore, this saltwater lake is the deepest in the globe. In 2007, the Dead Sea was named one of the 7 wonders of the world. Dead Sea, on the other hand, was unable to be added to the list of the world's 7 wonders due to low voting.